In today's quick tip video, I'm going to show you how to apply liquid clear to your canvas. That way you can achieve awesome paintings just like this one. Laying down a proper foundation is make or break for any new painter out there, and I'm going to show you an awesome trick to make sure you do it perfect every time. Let's go. Laying down the perfect foundation with liquid clear is really easy, so let's just jump right into it. To apply liquid clear to your canvas, I just like dropping it right on a paper plate. Depending on your canvas size, obviously will depend on how much oil you'll need, but I recommend starting out with around a nickel to a quarter size dollop. With your 2-inch brush and your paper plate with your dollop of liquid clear, make sure you work it in across all of the bristles here to make sure you get an even coat. As you do cross strokes across your canvas, you'll notice from the glare that not the entire canvas is taking all of the liquid clear, and that's fine. What we really want to do is make sure we spread it all the way across the canvas as best as we can, and if there's spots we miss, hey, you can grind it in with the edge of your paintbrush and really start to move it around. Don't be afraid to really get in there and grind the canvas, you won't hurt it at all. When you think you've got your entire canvas coated with liquid clear, make sure you look left, right, down, and up, and use the reflection of light to see if there's any gaps that have missed. If there's any dull spots, make sure you work in that area. When you've got everything thoroughly covered, we're gonna take some shop towels here and take a nice little square and fold it here, and we're gonna go across our entire canvas. And what this is going to do is work off the excess oil that's sitting on top of our canvas that maybe has pulled in some certain areas. Now you don't have to wipe hard, just let the paper towel kind of glide across your canvas here. And what will come off will be all the excess oil that we do not need. What's sitting on here is exactly the right amount of oil we need to do a wet on wet liquid clear painting. Now I personally like to go across and work in the liquid clear one more time with my same brush, and also lightly go across just to make sure no dust is sitting on it. Now all I need to do is add some background color. Now that I've got some background color on there, anytime we add a lighter color on top of this, it's just gonna pull that color forward and it'll easily blend now that we've got this liquid clear on here, and it's gonna look beautiful for when you wanna make skies and retain the natural color that you're going for. When it comes to using liquid clear, remember, a little bit goes a long way, which is why I recommend, if you're a brand new painter out there, use some shop towels. It really helps you get a nice even coating across your canvas. That way you get the correct foundation going forward and you're not gonna be struggling as much. And when you have the correct foundation, you can make awesome paintings just like this one. Hey, do you wanna paint this? Guess what? We did an awesome, easy tutorial that anyone can do. I'm gonna put that video over here to the side, and I really recommend you check it out, plus another awesome painting tutorial that'll get you really excited because they're easy to get you some confidence as you go. My name's Wild. I will see all of you awesome painters later. Take care. And of course, peace.